Hey, what's up, everybody? Of course, you know what this is. It's me, Charlie. I'm just playing. On behalf of Charlie the Cook and Drews Cooking Channel, I would like to wish you and your families a Merry Christmas. I don't know why I was about to say Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving and came and went. But anyways, if you watch my channel throughout the last decade or so, every Christmas, I didn't really do too much cooking or anything like that. I just did a couple items, which I'm going to show you a presentation of that in just a second. All right, because I know everybody's excited about that. Now, as far as news, normally for Christmas, I save all the news for the New Year. Well, actually, that is news. Wait a second. New Year's Eve video coming up, so you want to stay tuned for that. Of course, I'm going to have my New Year's announcements about what's to come in 2024. So, that's news. Yeah. But anyways, okay, it is time for the food presentation. I know that's what everybody came here to see, right? So, here it is. All right, y'all, and here is the food. Just very simple and quick. So we're going to first start with the desserts. Here we have a homemade pecan pie from scratch. Here we have the macaroni and cheese, the yams. Here is the green peas, well, they're underneath that butter. And here is the holiday ham. Look at this. Give y'all a nice little view of that. Go over the top. Ooh. Take y'all on the side where the slices at. This is slices right here. Oh my goodness, don't that look good? Yummy. And that is it. Well, I hope you all enjoyed that food presentation. I know it's all good because I'm about to fix me a plate about right now. But anyways, I hope you all have a safe, happy, and Merry Christmas. And I want to give a shout out to all of my subscribers on my YouTube channel, my followers on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I just want to thank you all so very much. And until next time, peace.